Good day everyone. Welcome to sourcing classes. This is Hima Hegde presenting before you a video series on the topic climatic regions around the world. This is the third part of the video series. The climatic region under focus in today's video session is called the Savanna region. The Savanna climatic region is a transitional type of climate, or say the intermediate climatic region between the equatorial forests and the hot desert region. We have already paid a visit to the equatorial climatic region, and we will be dealing with the hot desert climatic region in the subsequent sessions. The Savanna region is best developed in the Sudan region. As a result, it is also called as the Sudan type climate. The Savanna region is mostly confined within the tropics. On the right hand side, there is a map of the world displaying the regions or the distribution of the Savanna type of climate. This belt mostly includes Africa, east and the western part, and Brazilian highlands in South America. It also includes a small part of Australia. Let us now look at the climatic conditions. Unlike the equatorial climatic region, where there is one single season throughout the year, the Savanna region has distinct dry and wet seasons. The mean temperature runs between 24 to 27 degrees. The diurnal range, that is the daily range of the temperature, is extremely high. The equatorial or the annual range is between 3 to 8 degrees. This range increases as one moves away from the equator. The average rainfall lies between 100 to 150 centimeters. Now, let us look at the vegetation in the Savanna region. It is mostly grassland with tall grasses and short trees. The trees are deciduous and they shed their leaves in the cold and dry season to avoid the loss of water through transpiration. The density of the trees is very less. The trees are far apart from each other. This density decreases on moving away from the equator. The best growth of the trees is seen along the riverbanks or in the latitudes near the equator. One of the distinct properties of the grass found in this region is that they become dormant, that is, they become yellow in the dry seasons and again become green in the rainy seasons. Well, they are non-nutritious in nature. There is no formation of canopies as the forests are not thick enough. However, there are mostly acacia trees in these regions that store water in their trunks that are broad. Coming to the wildlife in these regions, there are mostly large animals. The herbivorous ones include elephants, giraffes, etc. And the carnivorous animals are like lions, leopards, tigers and many more. Sadly, most of the animals in this region have been hunted for their bones, hair, tusks and other reasons. They are also captured and sent to laboratories and zoos. Coming to the economy, the primary economic activity in the Savanna region would be agriculture. However, it is not greatly developed. Tribes like Maasai are pastoralists, and the Hausa tribe of the western Nigeria are settled cultivators. With that, we have come to an end of this video. Hope you found it informative. For any queries regarding anthropology or the courses available in sourcing classes, log on to www.sourcingclasses.com. Thank you.